Hello guys, how are you? I didn't tune up for quite some time now. I just wanted to say what's going on. So yeah, today I'm going just for a short walk because I don't have much time these days, because I'm just renovating my new apartment. I have a lot to do there. I have a job as well, and I was getting my driver's license finally. So yeah, now when I have made my driver's license, I will have a chance to go on more adventures with you guys. So I will try to upload one video per week from now on. But yeah, sorry guys, because I didn't upload for 2 weeks now. Kali, sit, sit. Good girl, go, go, go. She wants to play with me. As you see, today I'm walking with my beautiful girl, beautiful dog, Kali. We are just going on a short walk. It's my usual kind of walk that I make every day with her. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy. Today we are not going into the mountains, but yeah, hopefully we will go soon. Kali, come. She's really enjoying the snow. Yeah, I almost forgot. I got 100 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing. And because I decided to make a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers, I need to make it in this video. So at the end of this video I will decide who the winner is, and then I will send the package to them. Here comes the part that everybody hates, but I really need to do it. So I would really appreciate anybody that likes this video or that kind of content. I would encourage you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and to like this video. I really appreciate that you support me this way, so I'm really grateful if you subscribe. Thank you guys. Come. She's fast, she's fast. Yeah, it's beautiful forest. I am completely alone here, maybe because of the fog, but yeah, I actually prefer to be alone. I have more time to relax, to be with myself, with my thoughts, so I can clear my mind. She will know she will get something. Sit, sit. Oh, oh, look at her go. Come, come. She's so enjoying in the snow. Come, come, go, go. Oh. Yeah. Oh. So yeah, like in 1 week I will get my driver's license. And yeah, if anybody has an idea or a recommendation where I should go on my next adventure to film it, feel free to comment down below, and I will try and do the video on the place that you have commented. So if you have any good ideas, please comment. She's actually swimming always in winter. It's like if she sees water, she will go into the water, even if it's like minus 10 degrees Celsius outside. But yeah, she's a healthy doggo. We have come to the end of the forest. Out there you can see this is biotech faculty. We are going that way and then home. So yeah, stay tuned. I really don't like to have my dogs on a leash, but here I have to have them because of this faculty, and the road down here can be dangerous, but I will let her go now. Kali, sit. Good girl. Go. Have fun. There is nobody here. It feels so nice. She's in the water. Kali, did you have to? I know you had to. So yeah, now we have reached the end of our road. That was the bridge that we started from. So yeah, now I will go home and then I will determine who the winner is of my giveaway. So stay tuned and you will see. So guys, as I promised, I have made a giveaway video for this thermal bottle over here. It's a really good thermal bottle, so I need to decide who the winner of this giveaway is. So here I have the names of the people who have commented on my videos, and let's see who will be the winner. It's Grega! He's actually my friend, so I think I will give this to him in person. So that's it. I will soon make another giveaway video, so stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye bye!